Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. And today mutual fund sahi hai, and in that we want to discuss on one best fund, which is a large cap category of funds. Okay, that is Aditya Birla Sun Life Frontline Equity Fund. This is the large cap category of fund, which is a open-ended scheme actually. Uh, as you know, market is highly volatile. In this volatile market, you should select a fund which is a large cap fund, which is very safe to invest. I know the mutual investment is always subject to market risk. uh, Please do consult your financial advisor before investing. So this is what the best large cap fund to invest in the current situation. One best large cap fund I can say among so many funds. This is for this month. Maybe if the fund is not doing good, we may change the fund. But right now, current situation at today this month, and this is the large cap fund to invest, which is there in our in my ladder to invest. Okay, and who is the fund manager? Fund manager is Mahesh Patil and Dhaval Joshi are the two fund managers for this particular fund. And this fund has started, you can see here the date of inception is 2002 August. So quite very old fund actually. Okay, and which is the benchmark is the Nifty 100 actually is the and as you say, as I'm saying that managing this fund since almost 2002 onwards. Okay, so 19.4 years fund this is. Okay. So as this is what about the fund details actually. And the fund category, as I said, it is the large cap fund. And what they are following is the strategy is the blend strategy, neither growth nor value. So they are following the blend strategy, and major investment is in large cap. Okay, and the second thing is the exit load. Okay, so exit load, entry load is nil, and exit load is 90 days. After 90 days, as you say, as I say, if you are exiting before 90 days, so there will be an exit load charges, that is a 1% of the applicable NAV. And if it is you are exiting after 90 days, there is no exit load charges. Okay, so you can see the AUM as on last day is around 28,000 crores, which is the AUM currently. Okay, this is about the fund. Next is let us view on the portfolio of this particular fund. You all know mutual funds is nothing but people, the fund manager will collect the money from the pool of investors, and he will be investing you on behalf of you. You will be investing in the current stocks only. As you know that large cap means you need to have more than 85% or 80, minimum 85% should be a large cap fund. Okay, so let us see the portfolio has been constructed and which are the categories uh, of the sectors which the fund manager is investing. That is very important. You can see in banking, the out of total assets, among all the whatever the assets the fund manager has collected, among that the 25% will be invested in banking stocks. Okay, which are those banking stocks? HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak, State Bank of Bandhan, and IndusInd Bank. So these are the funds the fund manager is investing, which is 25%. Next comes is the IT sector. So IT sector, the fund manager is investing around 8%. So next comes is the automobile, which he is investing around 6.55%. So that comes, which are the stocks are coming? Mahindra, Maruti, Tata Motors, Bajaj, TVS, and Hyundai. So these are the stocks which fund manager is investing in automobile. Then comes to the petroleum products, 5.62% is investing, whereas pharmaceutical and biotechnology is investing around 5.33. Okay, so this is what the categories which the fund manager is investing. Uh, uh, the fund manager in pharmaceutical stocks. Which are the stocks? Sun Pharma, Cipla, Sanofi, and Consumer Healthcare, Grand Pharma, and Mankind Pharma. So the fund manager is investing. See, this is the percentage of the investments he has done in pharmaceutical and biotechnology. Then construction, there is a 4.99 percentage. Okay, and finance 4.63 percentage. Which are the stocks are there in finance? Bajaj Finance, Cholamandalam, Sriram, PNB, and Aditya Birla Capital. So this is what the allocations which is there in the funds. Next comes is the telecom. Telecom 4.45%. Consumer durables 3.76. So diversified FMCG 2.95 percentage. Whereas personal products 2.69 percentage. Whereas power sector 2.68 percentage and insurance 2.27 percentage. Which are the stocks? These are the stocks the fund manager is investing. So next comes is the retail, which is 2%. Then in that retail, which are the stocks? Zomato, I know supermarket, and Swiggy. So these are the three stocks which investing around 2 percentage. Then cement and cement products, which is 1.92 percentage. So Ultratech, ACC, and Ambuja Cement. So these are the stocks the fund manager is investing in terms of. Then comes the next sector 1 point. So this is how the portfolio has been constructed. See again. So this is what the total sector wise allocations the fund manager is doing, and out of all 100% the fund manager is invested in these are the sectors. Okay, so this is what about the investment strategy the fund manager is following, and he is investing into these funds. Okay, so then comes is the very important point which we all want to know. What is the fund performance? What is the returns of the fund actually? So this is as the if let me show you what is the current NAV for this. As on today, the 498 actually. 498 is the current NAV. This NAV date it is showing is as on 28 March 2025, but today it is 498 is the NAV. Okay, so you can see since inception this fund has performed, okay, 18.78 percentage returns. Okay, whereas again if you compare the 5-year returns, it is 24.22 percentage, 3-year returns is 13.22, and 1-year returns is 7.92. Okay, so this is the value I just wanted to show you. So in case if you are invested, the what could have been the value. So let's discuss that in detail in terms of calculations. Now I want to show you the returns calculations. Okay, so how much will be the returns, which as I shown you, since inception this fund has given the returns is around 18.84, but I'll calculate, I'll take it as 18% returns this fund has given. Okay, so last 23 years, let us take example for the fund, and 1 lakh rupees if you are invested in this fund. Let us take example. So if you invested 1 lakh rupees from the day of inception of this particular fund, and 18% is the annualized returns which is the fund has given. So today's value that could have been around 45 lakhs rupees actually. So this is what the returns which the fund has given since inception. Okay, so as I'm saying you, past performance cannot be the future performance, but whereas seeing all the fund managers track record which the fund has performed from the previous last years, so we can expect a very good returns as it is the large cap category of funds, so which can give you a better returns in terms of investments. Again I'm just showing you the investment performance as for this particular fund. Okay, you can see here since inception, suppose if you invested, the value of the investment is, let us take 10,000 rupees. So your value could have been, like example say 4,88,000 rupees. 4,88,000 rupees, the 10,000 rupees investment would have been grown to 4,88,460 rupees. Okay, so this is the value if you are invested in this fund. Okay, in case if you are invested in BSC style which has given a returns of 16.83, So that value could have been 3,36,000. So this particular fund has outperformed the benchmark. This is what I'm trying to say. Next is, let us take example. Say if you have started SIP every month of 10,000 rupees in this particular fund since inception, I'm talking about. So since inception, the market value of this fund could have been 2 crores 23 lakhs 85,283 rupees could have been the value of this particular fund, which is the returns, CAGR returns is around 15.98 for SIP. This is which is investment amount for the lump sum which I am giving you, and where this is the SIP returns. Okay, so this is what the returns one might have earned by investing in this particular fund. So this is what I wanted to discuss on the large cap fund, which is um, Aditya Birla Sun Life Frontline Equity Fund. So this is what I wanted to discuss, and hope you like this video. And I will be sharing you another best large cap fund in my next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel. And second thing, I will be in case if you want to have you want to learn more about the investments and all, do try reaching you comment on my uh, 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 your channel, so that I will give you a clarity more. And also thank you for watching this video.